Hey y'all, 𝐏𝐫𝐶 here, and I'm so excited to show y'all this new collection by Makartt. Here we got the 8-in-1 Builder Nail Gel Set, and yes, 8 functions in one bottle. Let's just get into the packaging. We got a beautiful pink bottle, and it is very thin, so it's convenient for storing. Let me show y'all this consistency. Nice and thick. So I do have 2 different collections here. It does come with 6 bottles, and one of these is with the top coat, and the other one is 6 bottles of all colored builder gel. I've always been a fan of Makartt's builder gel, but I've never tried it in this bottle. So let's get into the product. First things first, let me just mention this is a 8-in-1 product. So depending on how you use it, you can use it as a base gel, rhinestone glue, press-on applications, short extensions, as I'm doing in this tutorial, nail repairs, strengthening, and even for different nail art effects. This is a self-leveling gel, so it is easy to build a structured C-curve manicure and maintain shape. The color builder gel I'll be using is 003, and it can be used as just a builder gel, but for this instance, it's my base color instead of applying gel polish on top. So I wanted to actually put it to the test and show how to use it in a full nail application. This is my technique in real time. First step, I like to use a slip layer, which is a really thin layer of the builder gel. This does not be cured. It's just so it doesn't flood the cuticles or the sidewalls. I then take a little extra bead, you can call it, and I place it near the cuticle and I flow down. So what you want to do is go side to side, left to right, right to left, whatever is best for you, and gently flow it down in the same motion. Think of it of just floating gently on top. You barely want to make enough pressure that it dents what you created, but you also want to control where you're putting it. The next step is taking a liner brush and just going gently on the sides just to make sure you are touching the sidewalls and also getting as close as you can to the cuticle. This is the most important step because this can make or break your nail. You don't want to overflood the cuticle, and this is the perfect way of getting right in that crevices so it doesn't look like you need to fill in after doing a full set of nails. One thing I really like about this builder gel is the consistency. It gives me enough control to place the product where I need it, but it also self-levels. So I'm not spending forever trying to get the surface smooth, which you know that could take forever if you're using the wrong product. And because it's a builder gel, you can use it to add strength to the natural nail without necessarily having to create a long extension. In this video, we're doing more of a short to medium, but you can still see how the product allows me to build out the nail while still maintaining the natural looking structure. Once I have my shape established, I'm going back in and refining everything with that liner brush before curing. You do want to cure this for a full 60 seconds in an LED or UV light. Another way I would use this is for nail repairs. If you have a natural nail that's weak, damaged, or have like small splits, builder gel can add an extra layer of strength and help reinforce the area. And honestly, this is one of my favorite things about having a product like this in my kit because you could use it so many different services instead of needing a completely different product for every step. And this Makartt building gel truly is 8-in-1. It can even be used as a rhinestone glue. So for your more detailed sets, you can use the builder gel to adhere your larger embellishment, rhinestone charms, whatever your heart desires. I love when a product can do multiple jobs because it means fewer products just sitting around in my desk and less I have to organize. So I did finish all 10 nails. I am going to shape, but first you do have to wipe off that sticky tacky layer that just comes with any type of builder gel. You do have to wipe it off with like alcohol. And just look at this coverage. It's not even a top coat on top, but you can see that it's still opaque, but still a little translucent, which I absolutely love in a gel, especially a color gel because it makes a perfect base color. I am going in with a 80/80 file, and I am filing the free edge and buffing on top just to make everything smooth and seamless. Skip all that nail art talk, and here is the final result. Shout out Makartt 8-in-1 building gel. All of the colors are beautiful. This is definitely going in my collection, and it should be yours too.